Data abstraction. Data abstraction means to hide the unnecessary data and to visualize the necessary data to the user, to hide the unnecessary data and to visualize the or show necessary data. Okay, that means, for example, if we want to perform in the deposit or withdraw operation, for suppose we can performing how to performing the withdraw operation. Withdraw, go to directly ATM. We are inserting your ATM card, enter PIN number and amount. Directly you will get the money. But if you don't know internally what will be happen, that means to hide the internal process, but it will show the only necessary information. Okay, that concept is nothing but data abstraction. To hide the unnecessary information, but to show the necessary data to the user. That concept is nothing but data abstraction. In Python, we can implement the data abstraction by using abstract classes and abstract methods. In Python, we can implement the data abstraction. In Python, we can implement the data abstraction by using abstract classes and abstract methods. Abstract methods. Abstract class and abstract methods. Okay, already we were discussing some methods. Class method, static method, and instance method. Now we will discussing one more method, abstract methods. Now what is abstract class? Any class which contains one or more abstract methods. Any class which contains one or more abstract methods. That class is called abstract class. Any class which contains one or more abstract methods. That class is called abstract class. We can make any class as a, or we can make any class as a abstract class. Abstract class. That class is extending by ABC class of ABC module. Okay, capital ABC is a class name. This is a class ABC. This is a module. Small ABC is a module. Okay, ABC full form, abstract base class. Next one, what is abstract method? We can create a abstract methods. Abstract methods. We can create a abstract methods. We can create we can create abstract methods by using R2 required abstract method decorator. We can create a abstract methods to require abstract method decorator. Okay, where it is available. Previously, we are using class method decorator and static method decorator. These two are the built-in, but abstract method decorator is available in the ABC module. Abstract method decorator of ABC module. Okay, observing very clearly, decorator is also nothing but a one function. Okay, module contains functions, classes, variables. Okay, previously we were discussing one class, ABC is a class, but here abstract method is a one decorator. Decorator is nothing but a one function. If you want to use that function in our program, simply by using one annotation, that annotation is called @ symbol. Next one, we can define the abstract methods in the abstract class, but the implementation of abstract methods but the implementation of abstract methods in subclasses. Okay, observing very clearly from ABC import ABC is a module and abstract method is a one decorator. Next one I'm taking as a one class. My class is a animal class. My animal class is extending by ABC class. Now animal is a one abstract class. Next one, that abstract class contains minimum one abstract method, maximum any number of abstract methods we are defining, plus normal methods also we can defining, depends upon our requirement. Okay, decorator is nothing but a simple as a one function. Okay, now I'm defining one constructor. Before that one, I am defining one static variable. Okay, print I am in animal abstract class. Okay, now I am defining one method, normal method I am defining. Okay, now I'm defining as a one instance method. Now I want to create an abstract method. How to create an abstract method? By using abstract method decorator. Okay, how to use the decorator? Simply by using @ symbol. @ our decorator name. Next one def. I'm using bark. Simply don't writing any logic. Okay, already we were discussing abstract method, just definition in the abstract base class, but this method implementation in the subclasses. Now class, cat class, my cat class is extending by animal class. Now here I am defining one constructor. Print I am in next one def bark method print cats are having percentage d legs percentile of. Okay, already my cat class is extending by which class? Animal class. Directly I'm trying to access cat dot legs. Next one, print cats are barking. Okay. Now I'm creating cat class object. Next one, c1 dot bark method. Okay. Now observing very clearly, I am trying to creating animal class object. A1 equal to animal. Observing very clearly. Now I'm trying to executing. Then immediately we'll get the one message. Cannot instantiate abstract class animal with abstract method bark. Okay, whenever we are creating abstract class, directly we cannot creating the objects to that particular class. Just we can access the data from that class, but directly we cannot creating an objects to that particular class.
Sir, did not get your last statement. Can you please repeat once again?
This is it is not a normal class. This is abstract class. We can access the properties from this abstract class into our subclasses, but directly we cannot creating the instances to this particular animal class. Okay,
So
just, yeah.
that means if we want to access any properties of that animal class, we
Yeah.
have to use only class name.
Not only class name, that is a static property.
Mhm.
Okay, by using our base class name also we can accessing. This
Yeah,
is
that's what class name means, base class name. Yeah.
yeah.
No, thank you. So can you also explain this abstract decorator functionality in this program?
Okay, without writing this method, that bark method don't act as abstract method. That method act as a normal instance method. If you want to make any method as a abstract method, compulsory we are using this decorator. Previously we were discussing class method and static methods. If you want to define any method as a class method, we need to require class method decorator. Class method is nothing but a one function. Okay, a class method receive the class as an implicit argument, just like as a instance method receive the instance to declare the class method. How to declaring? By using annotation class method. Class method is nothing but a one built-in function. Observing very clearly, at the rate class method form is a function decorator. Same like these are all built-ins. That's why we can directly access it. But abstract method is not a built-in decorator. That is a decorator of ABC module. That's why first we need to import ABC module. In that ABC module, I am importing one class. That class name is called ABC class. And abstract method is a one method decorator. Okay, if you want to make any class as a abstract class, our class is extending by ABC class of ABC module, and our class contain compulsory minimum one abstract method. How to create an abstract method? By using abstract method decorator. Okay, here I am using this decorator only abstract class. Previously, I am discussing two decorators, like as a class method and static methods. Okay, if you don't understanding observing very clearly, what is the difference between normal class and abstract class? Now observing very clearly, for suppose, okay, here animal is a normal class. It is not abstract class. At the same time, cat is also normal class. Now here I am creating cat class object and animal class object. Okay. But in the previous example, we cannot creating the instances for our animal class because the animal class is a abstract class. Okay, we cannot creating the instances to abstract class directly, but we can access the properties from that abstract class into our classes. That is the difference normal class and abstract class. Completed.
No, sir. Just give me 2 minutes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in Python is a class object creating the output also. Why are you using instead of abstract class?
Abstract class.
Both are giving the same result. Why are using the abstractive?
Both are not giving the same result. Both are different results. This is a normal example. In that normal example, we can creating cat class object is possible. At the same time, animal class object is also possible. Here, animal is a normal class. Are you clear?
Sir, okay, okay. Clear, clear.
Here two classes are available. Animal is a one class and cat is a one class. Both are normal classes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we can create cat class object and I am creating animal class object. Both objects were created directly. That's why I am in cat class constructor is executed at the same time. Abstract, which one? Animal class constructor is also executed. Okay. Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Both are normal classes, but in this example, here animal is not a normal class. Here animal is a abstract class. Okay. We cannot creating the instances to abstract class directly. That's why this error message we are getting. In the statement, cannot instance abstract class animal with abstract method bark. Okay, we can access the properties from that class, but we cannot creating the instances. Okay, next one, access modifiers. Access modifiers. Okay, anybody coming from Java background? We can define the modifiers, public, protected, and private access modifiers are available. If you want to define the public, simply public keyword you are using. If you want to define the private keyword you are using. If you want to define the protected keyword you are using. But in Python, there is no keywords. Simply we are using underscore symbols. Now observing very clearly, class, or suppose I'm taking as a test class, I am taking as x equal to 10. This is a which variable? Public static variable. Okay. Next one, by using single underscore, that is a protected variable. Protected static variable, we are using double underscores. At the beginning of the property, we are using double underscores, that is a private. Okay, in Python, there is no difference between public and protected. We can access anywhere. But directly, we cannot access the private variable from outside this particular class. Observing very clearly, def and1 of self, simply print of test.x, next print of test dot single underscore y, print of test dot double underscore z. Now I'm creating a test class instance. P1.m. Now within the class, we can access both variables, like as a public, protected, and a private. My requirement, I am trying to access these three variables from outside the class. Okay, print of p1.x, print of p1._y, print of p1.__z. We'll get the error message. Test object as no attribute __z. The meaning enti to hide the property. Okay, within the class, it will be visible. but outside the class it is not visible. That means hiding the property. To hide the property. Okay, we can hide any property in our class. We cannot access this hidden property from outside the class or within another class directly. You write this one. Okay, without any underscore symbols, prefix, that is a public. Single underscore, that is a protected. Beginning of that property, we are using double underscores, that is a private variable or private, for main intention for private, to hide the property. For suppose both prefix and suffix, yeah, tell me.
Sir, public and protected is the access for the outside the class.
Yeah.
But why are you using protected, sir, instead of private public? Public
Okay.
also give the access the outside of the class.
In Python especially, there is no difference. In Java, other language, some differences are there, public and protected.
Okay.
By mistakenly, we are using single underscore, that is also act as a public in Python.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, for suppose both beginning and ending, we are using double underscore, that is not a private. Only beginning double underscores. Beginning and the ending double underscore, that is a which method? Dunder attribute. In Python, underscores are very, very important. Okay, this is a hidden property. This hidden property we can access only within this particular test class directly. Outside of the test class or within another class also we cannot access. That's why here we will get the which one whenever we are calling print of t1 dot underscore underscore z. In that case, it will show one message in the test class. There is no attribute underscore underscore z. That means that is a hidden property that will be visible for only within particular test class. Outside the test class, it is not visible. That's why this message we are getting. Or suppose I am trying to access this private variable data within another class. Previous example outside of this class. Now we will discussing one more class demo. My demo class is extending by test class. Now I am defining one method m2 of shell. Within that m2 print of directly we can access demo dot x, print of demo dot underscore y. Next one, print of demo dot underscore underscore z. Now I am creating demo class object d1 equal to demo class d1 dot m1 and d1 dot m2. Okay. Now observing very clearly, whenever we are calling m1, this three variables data is printed. 10, 20, 30 is printed. Next, whenever we are calling d1.m2, demo.x value is printed and y value is printed, but here we will get the error message. This is a hidden property. This hidden property scope within that particular class only. Directly, we cannot access the outside of this test class or within another classes also. Okay, observing very clearly, type object demo as no attribute underscore demo double underscore z. Did you mean underscore tester double underscore z? I am explaining this concept. Next one, right, sir, error message. Okay, observing very clearly. Okay, in Python, this is a Python 3.10. That's why this message providing. Okay, did you mean underscore test double underscore z? But in 3.9 or 3.8, this type of error message is not provided. Just we are providing type of object demo as no attribute, this attribute. Okay, that means this is a one concept is called that is called name mangling. Later I'm explaining name mangling concept. Okay, by mistakenly at the time of defining the variables, already we will discussing which one identifier rules. Our identifier starts with underscore symbols also. By mistakenly, we are using two underscores at the beginning of that property. Internally, it will be act as a private. Directly, we cannot access. Okay. If we want to access the hidden property, that means private hidden property of a class, hidden property of a class, hidden property of a class from outside of that class, from outside of that class, outside of that class, or within another class, within another class. If we want to access hidden property of a class or from outside of that class or within another class by using name mangling. Name mangling. Okay. Now observing very clearly what is name mangling. Whenever we are hide the property, whenever we are hide in the sense double underscores we are using. Okay. Hide the property class internally that the hidden property mingle with class name, mingle with the class name, mingle with the class name is known as a name mangling. Whenever we are hide the property of a class, internally that hidden property mingle with the class name. Syntax, name mangling syntax, single underscore, class name, double underscore, property name. Okay, please understanding property in the sense it may be attribute or it may be method. Okay, if you want to access the hidden property from outside the class or within another class by using the syntax, single underscore class name, double underscore property name. Okay, now observing very clearly, or suppose I am taken as a class test. Here I am taken as a equal to 10, underscore b equal to 20, double underscore z equal to 30. Simply I am defining one method m1 self single underscore m2 self double underscore m3. A property in the sense it's maybe attributes or methods. Okay, we can defining methods are also public and protected and private methods. Now print of dir of test class. Okay, if you want to display the properties of test class by using dir function, Now observing very clearly, these are all our test class properties. Already previously we were discussing built-in attributes. Whenever we are creating a class, internally our Python interpreter adding some attributes to our class. These are all built-in properties. Next, observing very clearly, these are all user-defined attributes. Okay, single underscore b directly will be storing into the memory location m1 and a. At the same time, underscore m2 also. But private variables to store the memory location mingle with class name. Single underscore class name double underscore property name. Same here also single underscore class name double underscore m3. If we want to access these hidden properties from outside the class, we are follow the syntax. Okay, directly we can access well, which one within the class only. From outside the class, compulsory the syntax we are following. Otherwise, we cannot recognizing that attribute. That's why previously we are providing one message single underscore class name double underscore property name. In the previously, for support directly we are trying to access, it is providing test object as no attribute underscore underscore z. In the test class, z attribute is available, but that is not a which one visible from outside the class. If you want to access the type of attribute from outside the class, simply by using which one name mangling syntax. Now observing very clearly, now I'm trying to access this z property in demo class. How to access that one? This is a which property? Hidden property. How to access that one? Single underscore our class name. What is our class name? Test. Now we can access. For suppose outside that one. How to access that outside? Print of t1 dot directly x. Next one, print of t1 dot single underscore y. But print of t1 dot single underscore class name and double underscore attribute name. t1 or t1? Okay. Okay, write this. This type of syntax is nothing but a name mangling. Okay, whenever we can hide the property, internally that hidden property will be mingled with the class name in the memory location. So write this.
So, sir, so if you want to access any private hidden property of any class, then we have to use the uh, class name
Yeah,
double underscore property name, right?
yeah. That the concept is nothing but a name mangling.
Yeah. So that means we can access that hidden property in any class with the name mangling help, with the
Yeah,
help of name mangling, right?
yeah, name mangling.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, not only this static attribute, we can hide the non-static also, or we can hide the methods also. Same procedure we are using single underscore class name, double underscore property name. In next class, I am discussing how to hide the methods and how to hide the non-static attributes. After that one, setters and getters. Okay, this is the last concept in OOPS concept. After that, we will starting modular programming.